Hey guys, a few months ago we started selling cutthroat razors on our online store. A lot of guys who want to clean shave with them buy them, but also a lot of guys with beards. And I've used them myself just to do lineups, and they are very complicated for a first timer. It's easy to cut yourself, especially around the neck. So I thought we're gonna put this video together, teach you guys the basics. It's only 5 minutes and it's done not by me, but by a professional barber, Taylor, who's worked with us before. He's just a year out of his apprenticeship where they hammer these things into you, so the techniques are fresh in his mind. He does a great job. I hope you enjoy this video, you learn a lot, and next time you use a cutthroat, you'll know how not to cut yourself. Let's hear from Taylor and he'll tell you how it's done.
Hey guys, I'm doing a video for Milkman today, actually I fucked that up. That's alright. Hey guys, how you going? I'm doing a video today on describing the health and safety of a cutthroat blade for your own personal use so you don't cut yourself. When you generally start with a shave, you want to make sure your face is warm, your pores are open, so you can get a cleaner cut. Personally, before you start with that though, you'll want to load your blade, and a lot of these blades will come in little packaging like these, so you'll have to open them up on the top of the lid, pull your blade out, and they'll come in like a little snap packet. So be very careful when you do this because it's so easy for a blade to reflect back up if it's open, and it'll jab you in the corner. So little snap like that, open it up, and it'll come out in the half. You'll want to open the head of your blade, set it in, make sure the little lips that have been snapped off are facing up because they curve, and you don't want the blade to be curving down, if that makes sense. You want it to sit in flat and nice and flush, so these little bits come up, so when you close the head and lock it in, it's all pressurized back down. Cutthroat blades have, if you look at these at a microscopic level, they have tiny little ridges on them. So think of it as a saw. When you're going down, if you're going straight down, it's going to cause more irritation on the skin. Where if you go down on a slight angle as you're going, it's sawing the hair, so you're getting cleaner cut, less irritation, all around better for your skin. When you are starting the shave, start with a hot towel after you've loaded your blade. So put the towel over your face and the areas you'll be shaving. It will open your pores up, and then after that you want to lather your face up with a gel or a soap if you have either. A gel that Milkman supplies is the clear shaving gel. I personally use it myself. I think it's very great for the skin. It's got a good scent as well. You want to lather your face up with that after you've done, and then you grab the blade, and the way you hold the blade, I like to hold it like this. Everyone's got a different hold to their blade. This is just how I hold mine. Everyone's different. Everyone holds a pen differently to everyone else. That's the same type of thing. But like I said, down like this in a motion, not straight down because that's going to cause irritation. And always hold it out on a slight angle, and don't go across like that because you can imagine that it's just going to cut you open like butter, and you'll definitely not miss the feeling of that. So what I want to explain to you guys is, this is a no, this is a no, this is a yes. Pull up, stroke down. As long as you don't go across and don't hold it at an angle, you won't get any irritation or pull or cuts.
Thank you.
Generally, because obviously I'm doing this on a doll's head, I'm just going to hold his eye. When you are shaving your skin, you want to get your other hand and pull the skin tight so there's no grip, and you just get a clean cut like that. Slightly on an angle, go down, only on the slightest little curve, like I was describing before with the saw. When you come down on an angle, obviously this beard on this doll is very questionable. You want to come down on a slight angle, like little bits at a time. You can even utilize the corner of the cutthroat, because if you still have it on that angle, you won't cut yourself unless you physically push too hard in your skin. But that will come down to you not pulling the skin as well, because if it's tight, it's like leather. So it'll just glide along it like it's nothing. You just go all the way along until it's all nice. And it's the same with underneath. You want to follow the grain of the hair also, so that'll cause less irritation. So if you are shaving underneath your beard, you want to pull down, and if your hair grows up, you want to go up with the hair. Obviously you want to practice this a little bit until you get the feel of the blade, because it's a lot different from just your normal basic razor or safety razor. Holding it down, going with the grain, and then you can do a second pass later depending on how close that got, and go against the grain and just lightly get rid of anything that's still holding on. So same technique of pulling the skin up and going down. And that should clean your beard up nice. And you will get better with it over time. Don't just get disheartened because your first shave didn't turn out well. You probably more than likely will nick yourself slightly, but you still nick yourself with a normal blade anyway, so I wouldn't be too worried. You'll get better at it. The first time I ever did my beard, I cut myself real good. So don't worry, it takes time. Everything takes time. And after you finished your shave, you could either do a cold towel or you could use an aftershave cream or any type of aftershave you have on hand. If you don't have either, just get a towel, put it under the sink, cold water, fluff it on your face, hold it there for a couple of seconds and that'll just close your pores up nice. And that's pretty much it for the cutthroat. I hope you guys don't cut yourselves. Always take the first shave slow and easy. Don't think because you have shaved your face with a normal razor it's going to be the same with a cutthroat, because I can guarantee it's not. you will end up bleeding everywhere. I've seen it before, so please heed my warning. It's very dangerous. Keep them out of hand's reach of your kids and anybody else that you don't trust with sharp objects. Take it easy, guys.